Now, you have been hearing WhatsApp is paying, but you just choose not to get involved. Your friends have told you that this particular platform has paid me through WhatsApp, but you still decide not to get involved. Now, I am making this video for you to watch, learn and see what is going to happen in this video. Now, I'm going to take you on how you can register. There's a daily bonus you can claim on this update, and there is simple strategy you can use. You are not investing a dime in this platform. Now, this platform will only generate you income through your WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp is safe on this platform. Now, I'm going to show you what you need to do, how you can get started with this platform, and how you can register. I have made several videos on this, but I'm just making this video for you that refused to register. Set up an account and start earning on this platform. All I will advise you do is to stick to this video, because you won't be asking any other questions when you watch this video from this moment down to the end. Now, all I ask you do is to sit down, relax, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So let me take you down to my screen and show you the process to get started. I'm going to take this step by step like I said. For the first time registering for an account, all you just have to do is to click the first link on the pinned comment section and you're going to be brought into this interface. Now, just fill in your mobile number, put in a password, then confirm your password. Then you're going to be seeing the register button right here. Just click on it and you're going to be registered instantly into this platform. And so right now, I'm going to show you what you need to know about this platform. Please pay attention. Now, when you look at my account balance, you can actually see that I have over 61,825 points. Now, this point is not your actual earning, okay? Like, it is not in Naira or your local currency. When you look at this account withdrawal right here, you can actually see that you can actually withdraw using your TRX in Nigeria, PKR, IDR, BDT, and the likes of others. So what you just want to do if you want to withdraw from this platform is to click on Nigeria first if you're from Nigeria. Now, the next thing you want to do is to come down to where it says Nigeria. Then you're going to be adding your bank details. Now, when I go over to edit, because I've actually added my account details to this platform, you're going to be putting your bank account. Just come down and select the bank you're actually using, then click on confirm. Then come down to where it says receiving account. Now, just put in the exact account number of your bank. Now, put in just your first name of your bank, then put in your login password, then click on confirm. Then your bank details will be linked just like mine on this platform. Okay, so right now, once I click on Nigeria, you can actually see that I have actually linked my OPay to this platform. Now, when you come down to maximum transfer out, just look at this faded written words right here. It's written maximum transfer out. It says you can be able to withdraw 61,635 points. Okay, now when you go ahead clicking on 61,635 points, you can actually see that the 61,635 points will give me a total of 17,874 Naira I can withdraw from this platform. Now, once I go ahead clicking on show, I'm going to receive this instantly into my OPay account. Okay, and so right now when you come down to the withdrawal instructions, you can see that the minimum withdrawal amount is 1,000 points. Now, withdrawals can only be made 3 times a day. That is, you can only withdraw 3 times every single day. Now, please check carefully whether your information you entered is correctly, that is your bank details. Now, once I go ahead clicking on show, I'm going to be receiving this instantly into my OPay account, but I'm not going to be withdrawing this right now. But at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you the withdrawal proof once I place withdrawal from this platform. Now, these are the things you need to know about this platform. We have the account withdrawal, we have the income details, we have the withdrawal orders. Now, when you come down to withdrawal orders, you can actually see that I have made several withdrawals from this platform. As you can see that I have made over 4,886 points. I have made withdrawal of over 11,000 points, 14,000 points, 15,000 points, and the likes of others. And you can see the date I was able to place this withdrawal on my account. These are actually details you can use to change your password and language settings. Now, when you want to copy your own affiliate link on this platform and promote to your friends, because you're going to be getting commissions once you do that on this account. Now when you come down to promotions, you can actually see that you have your affiliate link where you can actually share, and your friends also is going to get a welcome bonus, and you're going to be getting a commission for doing that. Now it says invite friends to make money, get points reward. Every time you invite a friend, you can get a commission reward, and the friend will become a first level friend, and there is no limit to circle of inviting friends. So you can actually see that the more you invite friends into this platform, the more you are getting income for yourself. You don't have to share your referral code, only your referral link will do the work for you. Now when you come down to tax right here, you can actually see that you need to bind your WhatsApp to this platform. So you're going to come down to this place that is written +1, and you just have to select your country depending on where you are actually coming from. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to input that WhatsApp number you want to link to this platform. Now once you actually input that number right here, you just have to start with 80 or 87, omitting the first 0. Now you just have to come down and click on get verification code. Once you click on get verification code, a code will appear down here. Now you just have to copy this code and go to your WhatsApp. Now on your WhatsApp, you can just navigate to where you see link device. Now once you click on link device, you'll be allowed to paste that code and your WhatsApp will be connected to this platform. If you don't know how to link your device to this platform, I have made another video which I'll be dropping the link on this particular video, so you can watch that and see how to link your WhatsApp to this platform. Now once that is done, this is how it's going to read. Your online status will be green and it will be showing online. Now this is the point my WhatsApp alone was able to generate for me. Over 2,250 points my WhatsApp was able to generate for me. And when you look at the waiting times, I have over 8 waiting times on this platform. Now you must come back daily and hourly to check if your WhatsApp online status reads online. So once it reads online, you're going to be getting a point generated from your WhatsApp. Okay, now when you come down to service, you can actually contact their customer service if you have issues on your account. Their customer service is 24 hours active. Now when you come down to your account right here, you can actually see that you can also come in daily to check in and get some extra points on your account. When you come down to sign in calendar, you can see that you can be able to get some points for yourself when you check in daily. As it says, sign in 1 consecutive days, sign in for 6 more days to earn 500 points. You can actually see that you can accumulate more points on your account, and this will allow you have additional points to be able to convert to your earnings. Okay, another additional thing you can do to get some points for yourself is by coming down to lucky wheel. So once you click on lucky wheel, you will need to use your 10 points to play this lucky wheel, and you can be lucky to get some additional points for yourself and quickly be added to your points that you already have on your account. Now this is the rules of this lucky wheel. How it works: spin the wheel, each spin will add more points to your total score, improve your score will increase with each spin. So the more you spin, the more you get more points on this platform. But I've loved to place withdrawal on my account, but I just want to accumulate more points so I can be able to place a withdrawal of 20,000 naira. Now this is how you can actually start using this platform and generate income for yourself. You just have to link your WhatsApp just like what I showed you. Also, you can refer your friends to get more points on your account. This is a totally free update. Start now and start making money with this platform. Now this is not going to make you rich, but it's going to add some extra income to what you have at hand. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video and keep winning.